everyone, this is me again, Mark, and it's another day for today. I am now here in Elemenda Residences here in Busay. This is the first tower of Elemenda. I'm going to show you the 2-bedroom penthouse, and this is for rent and for sale. We have 2 penthouse here available. Penthouse 1, the biggest one with 300 plus square meters, and the other one is the penthouse 2, the 2-bedroom square meters. And this is the facade of the building of Elemenda. And there is a 7-Eleven here, and that's the free parking of the Elemenda. And this one is the basement parking going down below, and that's going to Cebu City, and going up is going to Busay Trans Central Highway, Hyatt restaurant, and free parking. Good morning, Chief. And this is the lobby of the residence. This is the lobby of the Elemenda Residences. I will bring you to the penthouse. Here on the penthouse level of the Elemenda building here in Busay. So on this level we have these 3 sets of elevators, and these are the residential elevators, and there is one exit on this floor level here, and these are the 3 penthouses. That one is for sale. That's around 300 plus square meters, and selling that for about 73 million. And this one is already sold, and this one is the penthouse 2. We are open this one for rent, about 86 square meters rental, and we are also open this one for sale. It's about 26.7 million, and the area of this penthouse is about 123 square meters. This is a 2-bedroom penthouse, and this has that really large door, and it's fully furnished. And let's go inside of this penthouse, and you have this large kitchen with lots of drawers and overhead cabinets, and it's furnished with this cooktop, range hood, gas range, and there will be refrigerator here. It's coming, it's already been ordered, and this is your kitchen area. And this penthouse has that sky garden and large sky deck, and you have Vista plant box here, and you have the view of the mountains outside, mountains of Busay. And you have here the sliding door. This is going to the master's bedroom of the penthouse. I know, the 2nd bedroom of the penthouse. And as you can see, this is fully furnished. Comes with this 6-seaters dining set, and the sofa here. And this will be rearranged once the things that ordered is coming, and this will be rearranged. And refrigerator, the console table must be put over there, and the TV will also be hung in on this wall. And these things right here will be pulled out. These are the old furnitures. This will be pulled out. And yeah, this that is your dining area, and this is the living area of the penthouse, and that's the kitchen. And I will bring you now to the main bedroom of this penthouse. And you have here the common, this is the common toilet and bathroom of the penthouse. You have this wide large area for the bathroom and lavatory. And this is not the main bedroom of the penthouse, rather this is the regular bedroom of the penthouse. Again, this is open for rental and open for sale. All of the details of this penthouse will be put on the description details of this video, but roughly this is around 86,000 pesos monthly for the rental, and we required 2-month security deposit and 1-month advance for the rental. And if you are interested in buying this penthouse, this is also open for sale, and this is about 26.7 million pesos package with the parking. And this bedroom here is padded wall, and I really like the soundproof inside the building, inside the bedroom. I can barely the noise outside, hear the noise outside. And this is furnished with aircon, and the bed, the foam, the mattress will be put it here once you are moved in. And later on, I will bring you to the amenities of this building, and I will bring you first to the main bedroom of this penthouse. The same comes with that split type aircon, and you have here access, direct access going to your balcony, not balcony, sky garden, large sky garden, roof sky garden. And on this main bedroom, you have here the private toilet and bathroom for the maids, for the main bedroom of the penthouse. So if you are interested in renting this penthouse, you will be the first renter of this penthouse, because this is 100% brand new, and we'll just open this one recently. And yeah, so these are the penthouse, the 2-bedroom penthouse of the Alameda Residences. So I'm going to put all the contacts, my contacts, on the description below, and you please contact me, and we'll set schedule on viewing this penthouse. So once again, this is the penthouse, and I will bring you to the amenities of this penthouse. So we have the swimming pool here, the gym, the function rooms, and a lot more. So thank you. Gym. This is the function hall of the building. We are on the 2nd floor right now, and these are the office area, and I will bring you to here the function. This is the function hall. It's dark. Where's the ano? I will bring no, it's there. I'm holding a check, so but this is the function hall. On my other video, I have the video of this function hall. You can check, because it's very dark. I don't know the switch, main switch, and I am holding a check on cell phone. So anyway, so this is the hallway of the 2nd floor. These are the offices. On the right is the gym, and I will show you the gym. Those are the elevators, and going there is also function. There's another offices there, and I will bring you here to the elevators. And this is full equipped gym, and these are all brand new gym equipments here. And you have the view of the mountain outside. That's the view of the amenity, and I will bring you to the 8th floor swimming pool area. And this is the gym. And this is on the 2nd floor. I will bring you to the 8th floor. Ay! Nakita! And this is the 8th floor amenity level, and this is the hallway. And hopefully no one is on the swimming pool, because if there are people, then I don't want to take video. Hopefully no one. And this is the kids pool. No one is swimming. That's good. That's the kids pool below, and this is the adults pool, the infinity pool of the Alameda. And you have the view of the mountains surrounding this area. And this is the infinity swimming pool. if you are interested with renting this penthouse, just message me, and then we will do the viewing. And this is the building. That's the building. So that unit again is for sale and for rent. So if you are interested in just renting it, that's open 6 months, 1 year rental contract. And that's the Cebu City. You have the view of the Cebu City from here. So this is me again, Mark, and thank you so much for watching this video. And you can share, send him a comment, and like the video that we have. Thank you. Let's go back. And this is the lobby. These are the elevators, and that's the comfort room. Morning. Namoy kayo suga? Exit. Each other's side.